Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about something very important if you are looking to grow your business or get clients online, and that is LinkedIn lead generation. And nowadays LinkedIn is still one of the most powerful platforms to find clients, partner, or even job opportunities. And in this video I will show you a simple and effective strategy to generate leads on LinkedIn, and even if you are just starting. So before we begin, make sure to check the description below. I have added the official link and detailed information if anything changes later. Alright, so at first let's start with the basic. LinkedIn is a professional network and most people use it to connect with professionals, businesses and potential clients. But the key to lead generation is not just connecting, it's building the relationship and sharing value. So step 1 is optimizing your profile. Your profile should look professional. Make sure your profile picture is clear, your headline explains what you do, and your summary shows your value. Think about what the potential clients would like to see. A good profile always builds the trust. Step 2 is finding your target audience. So use the LinkedIn search filter to find people who match your ideal client profile. So this could be based on job title, location, industry, or company size. So step 3 is connecting and engaging. So when you send a connection request, always add a personal note, something simple like, "Hi, I noticed your profile, wanted to connect because this." So avoid the selling immediately. The goal is to start just conversation. Step 4 is sharing valuable content. Post updates, tips, or helpful information related to your industry. This helps people to see you as an expert and builds trust over the time. Step 5 is sending personalized message. So after connecting and engaging with someone, you can send a message offering help or explaining your services. So keep it personal, polite, and not pushy. So now LinkedIn is still rewarding genuine engagement over aggressive selling. Finally, just track your result. So you should notice which message or post generate responses and improve your strategy. You can use LinkedIn Analytics or simple spreadsheet to track your leads. So basically, LinkedIn lead generation is about being professional, sharing value, and building relationships. Follow these steps consistently and you will get the result. So this was the video about lead generation on LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you to understand how you can get the better lead on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.